Go Munchkin Go!
Hi there! Let's practice reading together. Today we'll be working on the short U sound. Short U says ah. Say it with me. Ah. Here are some words that have the short U sound. Hut, bug, sun, club, fun, dug, bus, nut, cub, jug, run, cup, mud, duck, up, rug. Let's practice. Read the sentences with me. This is Chuck. He is with his duck. They are in the mud. The mud is fun. They will need a tub. They will scrub in the tub. Good job. Now it's your turn. Practice reading the sentences on your own. Awesome reading. Great job. Let's see what we've learned by answering a few questions. Which word has a short U sound? Gum, cow, or bird? The answer is A. Gum. Which word has a short U sound? Lamp, fan, or run? The answer is C. Run. Which word has a short U sound? Cap, bus, or fell? The answer is B. Bus. Last one. Which word has a short U sound? Chip, egg, or cub? The answer is C. Cub. You are doing great. I'm so proud of you for practicing your reading. Keep up the good work. Thank you. For more quick learning videos, subscribe now.